Where are you going?
Picnic. Daddy, spot where no one is.
ఏం చెరువు ఇది? చెరువు పేరు
అంటే బీ తాండ్రపాడు చెరువు. బండ కింద తాండ్రపాడు. బీ అంటే బండ కింద అంటే ఈ తాండ్రపాడు.
అన్ని అయిపోయిన తర్వాత వరకు తీసుకొని ఇంట్లో ఆడుకోవచ్చు.
Here Geet is crying for a toy. I mean to go to a toy shop for buying a car. Here is the arch on which Welcome to Kurnool Airport is written.
కర్నూలు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్ మా మ్యాచ్ కర్నూలు ఎయిర్పోర్ట్కి వెళ్ళాము బస్లో. ఎందుకండి
Kurnool Orvakal Rock Gardens is under maintenance of AP Tourism Harita and the entrance ticket for 4 of us is 40 rupees.
40 rupees.
Orvakal Rock Gardens are 20 kilometers away from Kurnool and are said to be 3 billion years ago rock formations. Several scenes from Telugu movie Bahubali also has been shot from here. There are even cottages here to stay for 1 or 2 days. An addition of these play areas forms a perfect picnic spot for the kids. By seeing all these, there is no wonder to say that nothing can compete with nature's creativity. If you guys observe the pattern of formation of these rocks, there is a layered pattern, and this layered pattern indicates the volcanic eruptions. Hence, it is suggested that they were created from volcanic lava. As a scientific reason, these are the remnants of volcanic lava. Beautiful artifacts enhances its natural beauty and gives a wonderful addition to nature's creativity.
ఎక్కు ట్రై చేయి ఎట్లెక్కినావు రాను తగ్గది. నేను కూడా ఎక్కుతా పద, నేను ఎక్కిస్తా పద.
one can happily do a mini trekking with kids, and kids too have a lots of fun by doing small trekking job over here. Over the eye-feast greenery background, these antique pieces give us a fascinating look. When we go through the nature and blend with it, our fears, sorrows, and tension hold no place in our soul. What an artifact! Two eyes are not enough to praise its beauty. Expecting none from others and spreading lots of love around you is enough to be happy.
రేగి పండ్లు కాసాయా?
The eye catcher in this entire rock gardens, according to my view, is this beautiful bridge.
హే ఆల్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ అలసిరి నిలయంలో. ఇవాళైతే మేము కర్నూలు ఓర్వకల్ రాక్ గార్డెన్స్కి అయితే వచ్చామండి. మీకు చూపించాను కదా రాక్ గార్డెన్స్ అంతా, స్మాల్ పిక్నిక్ అనుకోవచ్చు.
I wondered by seeing this dog doing fishing for its food, as this pandemic may caused this dog some hunger issues. These are quartz and silica rocky materials amongst water bodies. My eyes are not going to leave this wonderful and beautiful bridge.
ఫ్లవర్స్ బాగున్నాయి. దిస్ ఈస్ మినీ ట్రెక్కింగ్ ఆఫ్ క్రిష్.
Actually climbed that rock right over there. I climbed it first, then I have no experience. Sure, that rock right over there.
And my small picnic setup is over here. Karachi biscuits, kakras, few chocolates, and chickpeas, roasted chickpeas, kaju, and water. Few toys for my kids, that is toy cars and cricket ball and bat. When you're feeling low, go to the nature, speak to the nature, and spend some time with the nature. It is the only thing which don't judge you, right? I have wondered to see these grooves and ridges, how they have formed. Isn't it due to the volcanic eruptions that occurred 3 billion years ago? Or due to something else? Really, it's something mysterious. Thinking that these rocks are formed by nature itself is too much wondering. These rock formations simulate igneous style of rock formations. The term igneous derived from Latin, which means fire. These are the water bodies, and there are more such water bodies spread across the entire rock gardens. Going to the nature, nothing costs you much except for some valuable time of yours, which is pretty much worth to invest. These are the cottages available over here under the maintenance of AP Tourism. I don't recommend to step out of your home during this pandemic, but As kids are so much of bored staying at home for so many months, I decided to step out of my home to the place where less crowd is there and to make them involved and engaged so that they'll have some activity, both physical and mental, and they'll feel some fresh and boosting effect. We took so many precautions while going to the picnic. And if you guys are interested, make sure to carry a mask, sanitizer with you, and choose a place where less crowd is there and very spacious so that fresh air will be surrounded by you. And what about your Diwali preparations? Are you all ready for Diwali? And my next video is on getting ready for Diwali with me. So stay tuned for my next video of prepping for Diwali. And by the way, if you like my video, do like, share and comment down in the comment box below, and subscribe my channel for more such videos. This is the sunset time and we are stepping out of the rock gardens as our kids are feeling hungry. During sunrise and sunset, the view will be awesome from this rock gardens. And here the sun is playing hide and seek with me. I strongly believe playing with the nature and spending time with the nature is the best therapy for almost all the psychological illnesses, as after all this universe is nothing but the energy, the positive well-being, and the negative energy, obviously the negative thoughts. Saying goodbye to the wonderful rock gardens, Orvakal, Kurnool, and lots of thanks to the nature and the creator, the God. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Until then, this is Dr. Sirisha signing off. Bye bye.